Cantaloupes are under the microscope after a Listeria outbreak across several states. Here are the facts first of this story, point by point. 4 people have died as a result of Listeria from the cantaloupes. Multiple cases have been reported in Colorado, including in El Paso County, as well as in Texas, Indiana, Oklahoma, and Nebraska. The FDA hasn't issued an official recall of the fruit, but the CDC warns the multi-state outbreak originated from cantaloupes grown in Rocky Ford, and that's hurting their cash crop. Fox 21's Kelly Worthman explains.
Been angry. It's something that can possibly really hurt our industry.
Farmers in Rocky Ford say the recent Listeria outbreak linked to their cantaloupes is hurting them in more ways than one.
Probably 40% of our sales in this fruit stand are for cantaloupes. People come in because of the Rocky Ford cantaloupe. We're at some farmers markets up and down the Front Range, and it's definitely hurt it a little bit.
Cantaloupes are a staple crop for Rocky Ford and nearby areas, but with no Listeria cases in and around Otero County, growers say they're not the ones to blame.
They've taken such extreme measures to produce a safe crop. In the last 10 or 15 years, they've adopted technologies and other production methods that have ensured that they have an absolutely safe crop coming in for the consumer. Though
farmers do their best to grow safe produce, they say safety is also a personal responsibility.
Clean your fruit, clean your vegetables, cook your meat. Make sure everything's done right, and then there's no problem.
Lusk says he is saddened by the news that people have died as a result of the outbreak, but is also standing by his product.
We pride ourselves in growing healthy food, and we become defensive. I'm sure we do, and rightfully so, because we don't want this to happen.
The cause of the outbreak is still under investigation, and farmers hope health officials look into all possible sources.
They see one little thing, and instead of studying it through, they start pointing fingers, and it causes a lot of grief.
In Rocky Ford, Kelly Worthman, Fox 21 News.
Listeria is a rare yet serious illness. It mostly affects older adults, pregnant women, and those with weak immune systems. Symptoms include fever, muscle aches, diarrhea, headaches, stiff neck, and confusion.